Nakalis na kami ng
We
coast.
got some lollies.
Yeah, you got some lollies because you've been good. Okay silang kasama. Hindi ako nahirapan. Tumulong sila. So, next na pupunta namin, punta kayo ng Baker's Delight. Kuha ng bread. Tapos, punta kayo ng meat shop kasi kukuha ko ng steak, tsaka sausage, and schnitzel. Si John, gusto niya raw ng steak. So, yeah, let's go. Let's go. Wait. There's any cars, Zach? No cars. Let's go.
Do you like lightning to the thunder?
Yes, I do like lightning in the thunder.
You like a lot of stones?
Ah, sorry.
I
Hindi ako marunong kumanta. I know. I feel hot too. Let's open the window.
That Holly window.
Huh?
That was the other one.
What other one?
That one.
No, it's alright.
Your seat.
Yeah,
No,
it's
all I
alright.
wanted.
Let's get bread. Sana may parking. Yun, mayroong parking. Malapit lang kasi yung Baker's Delight sa
I don't
coast.
have
Across the road lang siya. Sana hindi ako maunahan. Sana hindi ako maunahan sa parking.
No.
Now we have to get bread for Daddy and Kuya and you. You love bread. Ayan.
Mommy.
Perfect. Ang galing. No, wait.
I know how to open. Well, I know how to open.
Yeah.
Well, I can come.
Yes. Yes, you have to come with Mommy because the police will get me. Yes. Okay, let's go. So maybe not. Maybe not. You're not supposed to leave the kids inside the car. Pero ayan lang siya. Ayan lang naman siya. So madali lang naman. Magagrab lang naman ako ng bread. So, can you stay in the car, Zach? You be quiet. Zach, I'm just gonna be quick. Kasi yung ano niya, yung shop niya, ito lang naman, oh. Kitang-kita ko naman sila. But, you're not supposed to leave your kids inside the car. Especially when it's really hot. No, 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 no. Kaso tatlo sila. Kukuha lang naman ako ng bread. So, madalian lang na bibilisan ko. Tsaka babalik ako dito habang kinakat nila yung bread. So, hindi ko naman sila leave unattended talaga. So, yun lang nag-explain. But you don't leave your kids inside the car, especially super init. Kahit nga ganito dapat hindi rin. Kaso, tatlo sila, oh. Andyan lang naman yung ano, at the Baker's Delight. Ayan. So, kitang-kita ko sila. So, we're done here sa Baker's Delight. Dinala ko pa rin yung mga bata kasi takot ako. You're not supposed to leave your kids inside the car. Sabi ko dun sa ano, tindera. I was supposed to leave my kids inside the car while I'm buying bread. Sabi niya naman sa akin, yeah, you can because you can see from here and it's just gonna be quick. Sabi niya. Sabi ko, I know, but just to be safe. So, yun. Ngayon, punta na kami ng meat shop, right? It's any car? Any car? No car. Okay, let's go. Holy, mahirap ito pag malaki ang car mo. Tapos ang liit ng space ng parking. Ano yung parking, yung pagpaparkan mo ba? So, ganito, mahirap siya. Holy, we're going now, Baba. We're going to Margaret Street.
Oh, that's too long.
It's alright. Any car? No car. Oh wait, there's car. Yeah, I see cars. Holly, play this one, ah.
Drink. Ma, drink.
No, that's Yaki. Malapit na tayo. Dito na kami. Dito kami kumukuha ng meat. Ayan. Yeah, dito kami kumukuha ng karne.
I don't want.
Yeah, we are going. We're just turning love. Margaret. So, Margaret Street. Meat shop.
I am
So, wait.
Ew.
Okay, let's go, kiddos. Dito kami sa Margaret Street para kumuha ng meat. Ni Chan. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Wait for mom. Over here.
Look.
It's alright, come on.
Ew.
Zach, this way.
What?
Zach, come on. Zach, here. Okay. Just wait for me. Come on, Holly, girl. Where's your shoes? We put your shoes? Wait, halik,
Put
mommy.
your shoe-
Halik, mommy. Okay, come on. Yes, you can. Open for mommy, Baba. Zach, open it for mom. Here you go na. Come here, go. Ito ang itsura niya. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. You watch Holly, Kuya Zach, oh. Watch Holly. Make sure she's not gonna put it in her mouth, okay? Watch Holly. Hi. Can I grab some schnitzel, please? Is it beef?
Sorry?
Beef?
Beef, yeah.
Yes, please. Can I 3 pieces, please?
Yeah.
In separate bag for me,
Yeah.
thank you. Zach, make sure Holly's not putting in her mouth. What? What's this?
They're chicken balls.
Oh, chicken balls. Chicken balls. One, yeah.
Which one would you like?
1, 2.
Thank you.
Yeah, can I grab this one, please? Thank you. And one of this. Thank you. What's the baby, huh? Ayun sila, nagkala.
Baby.
Oh, that's a cute baby.
There.
Ang dungis niya, oh. Ang dungis. Okay, that's it for now.
So it's 102.25.
102.
Yeah, 25.
Can I have a card?
Sorry.
Can I have a card? So next time I'm just gonna ring and pick it up. Is that alright?
Yeah, you've got to order it.
Yeah.
What you want.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
We'll do like orders for like if you want something special.
Ah,
Like, so,
okay.
yeah.
And do you have pork bones?
Pork bones, like as in just the plain
Yeah,
pork bones.
yeah. Do you have it?
Isaac, do we have any pork bones? Yeah.
Yes. Do you have? Okay. Can. Okay. Yes. Yes, please. Yes, please.
Did you want to order?
Yes. Yes.
just right.
Yeah, wait, we're almost done. Wow, that's so pretty. How much the kilo?
Sorry, happy.
How much the kilo?
How much?
Like around, do you know? Maybe 3 kilos.
3 kilos?
Yes, or or you bastard. Wait, we're almost done. We're done. Hindi na siya. Where's Holly?
So that's a lot for that?
So anything I can know is just half of this one.
Where's Holly? No. Go grab her. Let's go. Get up, Holly, up. Oh, what happened to your shoes? What happened? What happened? Okay, where's your shoes? Okay, that's it. Come on, hurry up. Come on, let's go. Jack, let's go. Open the door. Hey, you don't bring those toys. That's not us. Okay, wait, Zach, open it for Mom. You forgot. Come on. Thanks, Sophie.
I didn't wait there, Mom.
Did you? Ihi na kanina si Zach.
Step on that.
Diyan siya umihi. Oh.
You step on. Where's Dorothy? Dorothy,
Sophie,
don't
come
step on that. So that. Where are we?
Yeah. Okay, go. We're done here, guys, sa Margaret. Nakuha na namin yung mga meat, tsaka... Yeah, we're heading home. Let's go. Okay, ready, get set?
Go.
1, 2?
Wait.
Okay, let's go.
I want some lesson now.
No, you don't. Only the boys. You had yesterday with Holly. May swimming lesson yung mga bata.
Holly
Yung-
don't have swimming lesson now.
No. Holly's Monday. You and Kuya Tuesday. So today's Tuesday.
What day? Monday?
Yeah, Monday, but different class. I have swimming at 3 o'clock or after Kuya's school. And yeah, every Tuesday you have swimming, Jack and TJ.
We going home now?
Yeah, we are going home now, love.
Mom.
Yes.
Later
Wait.
during swimming.
Yes.
After DJ.
Yes, you have to wait for Kuya TJ.
Sister Kobe.
Brother Kobe. That's your brother, not sister. You're the sister of Kobe.
I have a white my brother. My brother is TJ.
Yes, your brother is TJ and your sister is... Are you singing? My shopping went really well. To think na 3 shop yung pinuntahan namin. Yung 2 na toddler. O, 3 na pala silang toddlers. No, kasi first time ko sumama ng bata na hindi akin. Kaya nakinig naman sila. So, pumunta kayo ng Coles, Baker's Delight, tsaka sa meat shop. Zach is really tired. Anong oras na ba? It's 2:41 na. Umalis kami past 11 eh. Guys, I'm closing my vlog now for today. May swimming lesson pa kasi yung mga bata. Kasi ko pa sila and then I will put away my groceries. So yeah, please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Bye! Yeah? You wait. Daddy's getting your swimming.
Where? Mom, is that the door open for the fly?
There's no fly.
I don't want. I don't want to fly. I don't. Did you hear it?
Did you hear?
Yeah, I told you.
Beb.
Hey, Tracy. Back, put your socks on. Put the pliers in there, mate.
Zach, go! You're going swimming! Hurry up!
Got your pliers in there, got your pliers in there.
Tia! You gonna help mommy? You want papa? Papa? You want papa? Milk? Milk? Where's your milk? Where's your milk? Swimming. Careful. How's swimming? Huh? Said Ava. Okay. Halik Ava. See ya. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Hep hep. Hep hep. Have a good day, Tita Ray. Wish you all the best. Okay. Today is November 8. Update ko lang kayo kasi kung maalala niyo noon, 2 weeks ago, nag-grocery ako yung... Yes! Baby. Halik, baby. Lala. Lala, baby. Lala. So anyway, update ko lang kayo kasi that time, nung pumunta kami nung October 24, yeah, yung basta may kasama akong isang bata na anak ng friend namin nung nag-grocery ako. Pumunta kami doon sa meat shop, dito sa meat shop kung saan ko ito kinuha. That time wala silang available ng pork bones. So, kinuha lang nila yung details ko para pag meron na sila, tawagan nila ako. So, they did. Tinawagan nila ako after 2 weeks. So, ayan siya. 5 kilos to. So, ipakita ko lang sa inyo ang itsura niya. Kasi, mahal to sa sa cost. Pag bumili kayong buto-buto, yung ito, ganito. Yan. Siguro mga 8 or 6 na piraso. Basta konti lang. Siya, $6 or $8. So, ayan. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda, oh. Fresh na fresh. Tapos, so, yan. 4 na bag. So, I believe, yung ibang bags, more than a kilo. Kasi, sabi ko 5 kilos. Sabi nila 5 kilos daw to. So, yan. And then, nag-order din ako ng 2 pang-pata. Pata ba ito? Yeah, yung leg ng para sa crispy pata. So, ayan. Ayan, itsura niya. Ayan, diba? Ayan, guys. Ayan si Holly. Hoy, Holly, that's not yours. That's Sophie. So, si Sophie andito ulit siya sa akin. Kasi every Tuesday and Wednesday, sa akin siya. Kasi nga, hanggang ngayon, wala pa yung mga lola at lolo niya. So, anyway, yung nito, ang worth nito, ay $18.60. So, 5 kilos of pork bones and 2 pang crispy pata. Tapos, hi!
I put it up this.
On the way para pick upin ko to, nakita ko yung parang caravan store siya na strawberries talaga lahat ang laman niya. Kasi galing siya sa Portland kung saan talaga galing ang mga strawberries. So, kumuha ko ng $24 tong dalawa kasi each bag ba to? Or each tray is $1.50. Ano ba yung sinasabi? A kilo and a half each. So, yung dalawa is 3 kilos. So, what? $24. Kasi yung sakos, pag bumili ka, ayan siya. $3.50 yan. Yan lang siya. Ganyan kaliit. Tapos, pag binuksan mo, hindi ka pa sure kung maayos or maganda ang itsura niya. Kasi, ayun, oh. Tingnan niyo, oh. Ang pangit. So, kaya bumili ako ng marami. Kasi, paborito ng mga bata, fruit, tsaka strawberries. Paborito nila. So, yan. So, yan. In-update ko lang kayo, guys, sa aking grocery 2 weeks ago. So, yan. Hi, Holly. Si Holly may sakit po. Yes, may sipon at ubo. Ayun, si Sophia, tsaka si Zach.